This is what happens with a wet winter. This field is normally kept at this sort of height, and just look at how the grass has grown, and that even with a tractor operated bit of kit, we can't get it down fast enough. If you had more time, you'd use a collector, but we haven't got a collector and we haven't got the time to rake it up. So it's going to be perseverance, keep cutting it and keep cutting it and keep chopping it, and eventually it will work in. So that's what wet winters do to you. And if you've got a problem like this on your back lawn, cut it with a strimmer, rake it up and then keep cutting. But don't cut too low. I keep saying that to you. While I'm here, just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a gorgeous apple tree. I think it's Newton Wonder. It is absolutely gorgeous. Thought I'd just show you that while I was grumbling about the grass.